Now we are discussing about chemical business options. In that, today we are discussing about toothpaste making. How to make toothpaste at home. Toothpaste with baking soda and water. Take 1 teaspoon baking soda and 1 drop of an essential oils. And toothpaste with baking soda, salt and water also we can make. Take 1 tablespoon of baking soda and a tablespoon of natural salt. Another way is toothpaste with baking soda and coconut oil. Add 2 tablespoons of baking soda. That is another. Likewise, we can make toothpaste with at home in so many ways. Now, basically, the process of making toothpaste is a very straightforward process. Just mix together water, abrasives, home humectants, thickening and foaming agents, sweeteners and flavors in the right amounts until you get a paste. Main 3 ingredients in toothpaste is toothpastes are derived from variety of components. The 3 main ones being abrasives, fluoride and detergent. Those are abrasives, fluorides, surfactants, other components and xylitol. And the next point is all toothpaste ingredients. What are those? Hydrogen peroxide. This is one of the few ingredients actually proven to white teeth. Hydrogen peroxide and sodium bicarbonate, sodium pyrophosphate and propylene glycol and dioctyl sodium sulfosuccinate, sodium saccharin and desensitizing ingredients and triclosan. These are the main ingredients of toothpaste. Next point is what is the pHP of toothpaste. All the toothpastes are used in this study had an original pH of toothpaste or deionized water slurry of above 6.8 80. The highest pH level measured in the Signal Kids toothpaste. But all other toothpastes had pH level near the neutral value. What is the next point is what is the most important chemical in toothpaste? Fluoride. Fluoride is considered to be the most effective caries inhibiting agent, and almost all toothpastes today contain fluoride in one form or the other. The most common form is sodium fluoride, but monofluorophosphate MFP means monofluorophosphate and SNF, that is stannous fluoride, are also used. This is the information regarding toothpaste making. And one more request is before making toothpaste, you should get good practical experience is most important. So couple of months you go to the plant or processing point of toothpaste making, then you will have a practical idea. And then also you should have a project report where you want to locate the toothpaste making place and what is the machinery is required, what are the raw materials required, where the raw materials are in wholesale, in moderate price you will get. All these things you should have a note. Document has to be prepared. That is MS Word document. If you prepare, Microsoft Word document is there with you, with all the step by step, not in a random way. Step by step, what we have to do. First location, then machinery, and then skilled persons. You should recruit skilled people also. You cannot know where are the skilled persons. So you should consult a consultant for recruiting your toothpaste making professionals. And workers, what sort of workers are required. All these things you should have a manpower process also. You should have a document. Project document is most important. Once if you get that particular document, then once if you are starting the project, then you need not think and research. The step by step in the project document, what is there, you should implement, and then you will be successful. That is the easiest way. And before having a project, you should have a clear plan and project document. Then if you start according to document, you will be successful in this business. And generally they will have a fear. Already we crossed 40 years of age. How we can start this? How long we will be there? You need not worry about that, because once if your business is going smoothly with good orders and with good raw material suppliers and all these is there, means you can sell it out to the goodwill. Suppose if you are not able to tackle for the time being after 10 decade, after 1 decade, that means 10 years or 15 years, you can sell this unit to another person. Then you will get very good goodwill. Goodwill is more than your establishment cost and all costs, and you will be beneficial. So it is also one sort of very good business. You can start it, and don't worry and don't fear about the span of the life. Wishing you a happy life, and be careful and be patient. Wishing you all the best.